Today we got a video from Cop Cam Max, and the title of the video is Instant Karma. She gets in cop's face, then gets slammed. Let's get into it.
In this episode of Cop Cam Max, police respond to a rampage at an indoor go-kart track. An 18-year-old woman is arrested, but she screams that she was jumped and is actually the victim. Watch the footage and decide for yourself. Was justice served this evening?
One of the biggest Thank you. Hey. Stay back. That's up. Step back. Control her. Hey, is she with you? Step back in. Take a seat. Sit down, okay? Okay. Okay, hey. Sit down, settle down. We're not doing this shit while we're here. I'm just
Man, she too young to have missing teeth,
okay,
man.
We can do that in a few minutes. Okay, hang tight. Okay.
I got no asthma
We're not
pump
doing
like
that.
and I need an asthma pump like now.
Are you hurt at all?
No, them bitches jumped on me.
Okay,
So
you need to
come out and I have
settle
my
down. Settle down. We're not sitting here yelling.
Start all this.
You got ID on you?
Yes, I do. I don't got no warrants, bro.
Okay. Well, they're saying you're starting it. You're somewhat involved. I need your information.
I didn't start nothing. I
Okay,
started
hey.
right there. And they
It doesn't matter. ID.
Hey, and you can still get there. They'll take me to jail, boy. I know that you're gonna go to jail. We don't know that. Now y'all there too.
Shoot us and stuff? What's gonna happen to us?
Hey,
Back up.
I'm saying that you might not be going to
You're about to
jail
go.
just right yet. Calm down, bro. You need to give me my key. I got my kid out here, bro.
Do you have her keys?
My kid is here.
Can I have them?
I need my keys. You just slipped out like heck. Them two, and there were two other people with them. They just jumped on me while I was right there. Fuck.
Why they cameras sound like it's underwater?
I'm gonna fuck. Do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Bitch.
Put your hands back.
I'm not
Turn around. Put your hands. Give me your hands now. You're under arrest. Aggravated battery.
What's the battery about?
Hold your hands.
What's the
You're gonna
battery
get tased.
about?
You gonna get tased?
No, what's
Then
the
let the
battery
go.
about? What's the battery about? You don't have to
Let's
put my
go.
arm like that. When I put my arm behind my bed. I put my arm behind me. You don't have to do that. My uncle is free. It's a battery. I'm not worried about that shit.
Dispatch 149, female C95.
I'm in the local.
You got her ID, right?
I got it. I have a minute. I'm not. We can't
Hey. You want to talk to these two? Oh.
This is saving his baby. But look.
Why they letting them that close?
Wait now.
Get out.
Oh, my baby. No, I'm not sitting down. Shit. Tase me. Do what you gotta do. Tase me. Please tase me. What's y'all putting me back to the police car?
We on.
Watch what's gonna go down. Watch what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
You can see.
One more
No,
thing?
but yeah, come on.
Okay, and you'll get extra charges.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh shit! Oh boy! What the hell? Yo! Oh nah! This came out of nowhere.
Come on.
Stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Fuck up. Stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Fuck up. You done?
Oh shit! Nah, oh, this is bad. This is bad. This ain't this. Oh my God. She is handcuffed. cannot brace her fall or nothing. Yo, this is bad.
Come on.
Stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Fuck up.
Fuck up.
You know, stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Fuck up.
Oh.
You done? He's bleeding, calling it. I'm gonna get her out of here. Bleeding from what?
Hey, tell me what happened. How did you end up like this? Hey.
Oh, that's not. He's fucked.
Did she force herself to fall down?
No, I pushed her. Mom, Mom.
Push your mouth.
Come on.
Push your mouth.
Oh.
Hey, tell me what happened. Hey,
Stand up and walk. We're gonna get the ambulance. Come on, just stand up.
Now that is a lawsuit. I ain't gonna lie, that is crazy.
His arm.
This officer
Oh.
right here, he had no compassion. It's Officer Leggett. Officer witnessed it. Hey, come on.
Yeah, she's gonna do it.
The witness
Work for you. Hey, stop tripping. Hey, they told me what they did to you. Hey,
Ma'am, stop her.
You keep interfering, you're going to go to jail. They're disappointed because this officer just pushed this young lady face first into the rail.
Okay. Did she batter you?
She punched me square in the face after, because they were initially on the ground. Well, the one in the pink was first on top of the white. I couldn't see anything, so I came over here. So I seen all the workers back up. There were two ladies on the ground. So I walked up and tried to grab each other's and pull each other's hair. The second we got separated, she rocked me straight in the face.
Damn,
like 2 times.
he got her together,
He came
boy.
at me and
I
kept on
can't
coming at me.
even. I don't even know what the hell this guy talking about. Hold on, let me run it. Damn, man, I'm just damn. She got hit with some shit. son. Oh, she got hit with some shit, boy. That was crazy, man. Oh man, I gotta run it back one more time, man. This was just what time? 6 minutes. We 6 minutes in. This was crazy right here. Oh my God.
come on.
Stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Fuck up. You know, stop fucking pulling me.
Don't fucking touch me, bitch.
Fuck up.
Yo, he said, fuck up after, oh my, yo, that is wild. That is wild. Oh, wow.
Rocked me straight in the face like 2 times. And just came at me and kept on coming at me.
Woo!
And then she started ripping out her hair.
Stand up.
No, I'm not. No.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be.
Hey, you gotta call for
Hey, this is my mouth. Whoa, not my mouth. Whoa, I'm not fucking with her. Whoa, why my mama? Whoa. He just pushed my mouth against the bed. Y'all like racist drugs.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
I came over here to defend him, and basically she just started pulling at me and grabbing my hair.
And
The one in the pink.
yeah, and the scuffle continued as me trying to separate them, but literally she would not let go of her hair. She was trying to sit there and punch her on the ground.
Okay.
He says that she was an instigator too. He started it all in the beginning, jumping out of the thing,
screaming and yelling in the track. Okay. Caused the first initiated it all.
All right, do you want her gone?
Yeah, she needs to go too.
Okay.
Relax. You keep asking, now they're
Ma'am?
going to you to jail. What's the problem? Relax. To my people?
Okay, she's under arrest. She's going to jail. If you get in the officer's way again, you're going to go to jail too.
I'm not in no officer's way.
You're running up on officers. You can talk to her when she gets up to the jail. Okay, you need to leave now, though. You're no longer welcome here, ma'am. You need to gather your stuff and your people, and you need to leave.
I'm not going to go get in my car. I'm going to stand next to y'all.
Okay, ma'am, you can't stay here. You need to gather your people and leave. You've been asked to leave by management. You're no longer welcome here. So it's time for you to leave.
God damn, she's fucked up.
Hey, hold on her. How do you plan on getting away from here? Because it's clear to me that you've been drinking. So how do you plan on leaving here?
Let me see your palm, Papa, because they apparently they on my ass too. My house is down the street. Can you get me a drive home?
Can I drive you? No.
Oh. Well, my boyfriend can drive me home. So give me a second.
Okay.
There was a mom and a daughter in the car behind her that said, the mom said, just get back in your car. And she went after her and she started hitting the mom. And the little girl started crying. And the little girl got hit.
Okay.
They left, like when they left, they wanted nothing to do with nothing. And they left. The little girl was absolutely hysterical.
Okay. So they're not here anymore?
No. And she went after this other lady that said something, and then the guy tried to stop it, and she went after him, and then she was taking shots at the.
Why do you keep taking that off?
She's taking her seatbelt off.
And then take her out, put the handcuffs behind her, and put her back in.
We can put your handcuffs behind you.
If that's the case, or you can keep them in the front, and I can put.
I'm pregnant. Yeah. Try to.
Do you have a pregnancy test?
Yes. In my sister car. Yeah.
So I can't cuff you in the back because you're pregnant.
You can't. Guess
That's
I
not
didn't
true.
jump me.
Get out. Come on.
Thank you. You can. They tell us to get shot. I ain't worried about it. Can you call my sister?
Be allowed to use the phone when you're done being booked.
I don't know nobody's number. Do y'all got my phone? I just got jumped by 4 white people. Do y'all got my phone?
Go out.
Fuck! Y'all be racist as fuck. You don't gotta hold me because I'm not gonna let go shit. You don't gotta hold me. If I fuck with a cheese, I'm not worried about shit.
Okay, go ahead and get in.
Well, I get jumped by 4 white people and I still get arrested. Somebody else get arrested.
Hey, come on.
That cop is nervous though.
Hey, if you damage anything in the car, that's a felony.
She went up to the dad of some wife and daughter and flipped his hat and stuff.
Yeah.
And then she hit the kid and the wife.
Yeah, so what?
And then they were trying to protect the daughter, and then she was pulling hair, hitting people. And then our manager came and tried to intervene. And then she was attacking somebody else, threw her on the ground. And that's when me and the manager, I went and I tried to pull her off, and then.
And that's when you got scratched?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why am I the only one that's here like that? And 4 people jumped on me.
Hey, if you damage that door, another child.
Hey, she's got a fucking thing around her neck.
110 dispatch.
Here,
Hold on.
yeah, I'll cut it. Can I cut it?
The woman was charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, resisting arrest, and battery. All counts are currently pending. But her legal troubles didn't end there. While out on bond, she was arrested again just months later, this time for allegedly attacking an EMT. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in watching that arrest or if you've seen enough of this woman.
Wow. This is... Woo! This was a lot. This was a lot. I must say, though, Karma's a bitch. Okay? She got what was coming to her. But with that being said, you know, because she was wreaking havoc and everything like that, you know, so she got what came to her. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna sit there and say, you know, when you putting your hands on people and doing this and doing that or whatever, hey, karma does come back around. But with that being said, with that incident right there, the cop, in my opinion, did use excessive force, in my opinion. Okay. Yes, she was pulling. He pulled her back. Told her, quit, you know. Then she bucks up at him and he smashes her into the guardrail or whatever, into the whatever you want to call it. The problem with that, though, is that she's handcuffed. So she has nothing to like break her fall, like at all. Nothing, you know? And I could tell that officer afterwards was nervous about that. I don't know if he got reprimanded or whatever the case may be, but I'm gonna show you his body language after that, which he was quiet pretty much the rest of that time. And let me show you. No, not right here. He ends up getting back with the other officers. Oh, right here. Right here. Okay. Just look at the officer's demeanor. Okay.
Screaming and yelling in the track. Okay. The first.
This is him, the one that's walking up.
Initiated it all. All right, do you want her gone? Yeah, she needs to go too. Okay.
He just standing, kind of quiet. In his head, he's thinking. He's thinking. he is thinking, okay? And that is what's going on. That's really what's going on. But yeah, it was that's a whoo. That's one of them ones, boy. Guess we picked a good one for the day, man. But overall, I you know, I'm gonna get an officer. Oh man. Oh man. Man. This is tough. Typically they're not that tough for me, but honestly, even with that being said, the whole incident, I'll give a 4. I'll give a 4. You know what I'm saying? It's between a 3 and a 4, but yeah. That's my rating. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. Hey, she did. Hey, he got her together. What can I say, man? The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.